GM Railing glass railing. Flexible, secure, ingenious, simple. This is Daniel. He loves the unimpaired view, the outlook, and spaces that end in infinity. In public spaces too, or when shopping, wherever. Contemporary architecture, transparency, and openness are important to Daniel. Railings may be necessary, but he doesn't want to see them. Daniel attempts to develop a solution. He takes glass from manufacturer A and U profiles from manufacturer B and wedges everything together with lots of force and under duress. Not simple at all because the aspect ratio is 1:10. This means 1 millimeter wrong at the bottom is the same as 10 millimeters wrong at the top. Doesn't matter. With a rubber seal pressed in and a little silicone smeared, everything fits. The glass panes are not vertical and not in line. Doesn't matter. With brute force, he squeezes everything together under the handrail. No, Daniel. If you do that, glass breakage, slipped wedges, and the penetration of water and dirt are a foregone conclusion. So many stress peaks and local pressure points, and all of them created by you? You can't assume a warranty of that size, and your customer can't live with it either. No, that's not the answer. Look, Daniel, it's as simple as this. First of all, you mount the substructure profile, into which a temporary railing is simply hooked, just until dirt, grime, and all potential glass scratchers have been banished. In the meantime, your GM Railing glass railing is bonded over the entire surface, evenly and optimally into the aluminum suspension profile in the Glas Marte factory. A better glass support is unimaginable. Now just hook in the prefabricated railing modules. Adjust them to an accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter with fine-threaded screws. Attach clips and handrail. Done. Yes, Daniel, it can be as ingeniously simple as that. Tested series, stable and secure, optimal glass support, aesthetically unsurpassable. Yes, dear Daniel, GM Railing from Glas Marte. European quality from your local specialist. Everything from a single source. Approved. Tested 1,000 times. Proven 10,000 times.